Namaste, I'm Munmun and I'm here to raise your consciousness. Welcome back to my channel, which is Moonlight Guidance. Request my new viewers to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Watch this episode if you believe in reincarnations or rebirths, because today we will discuss about past life regression. Watch full episode to know how I healed my relationships with this method. Let's discuss first what is past life regression. Past life regression is a therapy that helps in removing the roots of the problem in all spheres of your life. Past life regression technique uses hypnosis in order to recover memories from your previous lives. Many mental and physical health issues that patients experience may have their origin in the traumatic experience of past lives. By going back to those experiences through hypnosis, the patient confronts his or her fears, phobias and pains, and ultimately becomes desensitized to his or her original fears. By collapsing the timeline between cause and effect, we are able to re-script our lives with wisdom, forgiveness and understanding, and do a complete closure of an impending issue. Past life regression therapy therefore assumes the reality of reincarnation. Mainstream psychiatry has traditionally rejected this assumption. However, some high-profile practitioners in the field have upheld past life regression therapy and actually incorporated it in their medical practice as a therapeutic technique. In India, one of the renowned practitioner, Dr. Trupti Jain, who hosted the show called Raaz Pichle Janam Ka, which everyone knows, Secrets of Our Past Lives. She periodically conducts these kind of sessions from Mumbai. Now let's discuss who should pursue past life regression. Past life regression is a journey back through time to uncover lessons from previous lives. PLR is to understand your karmic and life patterns and release or change them. It primarily helps to understand the root cause of your present life problems, and as you return to the cause, you begin to heal at the physical, emotional, social and spiritual level. It develops a more expanded view of your life. It gives a deep understanding about your multidimensional nature. It allows you to receive wisdom that you can apply to your current lifetime and situation. PLR connects you with your higher self. It allows you to easily learn forgiveness and helps you move forward in your life. It heals your connection with others. Now let's discuss who should pursue PLR. Those who want to free themselves of pain, hurt, guilt and disease. Those who are interested in understanding their blueprint of life and their life path. Who are keen to understand the purpose of their life, karmic lessons and karmic baggage that they may be carrying. Who wants to grow spiritually and evolve without any magical thought or pretense. Let's understand how PLR works. Past life influences the subconscious mind and personality. A person's mind is made up of two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The subconscious, being a part of every person's mind that absolutely exists, lies just below the level of our conscious mind and keeps on observing. What is conscious mind? It is that part of our thoughts and feelings that we are aware of. However, this is only 10% of our mind. The conscious mind is completely controlled by our subconscious mind. It is something like a shop front for the subconscious mind. What is now subconscious mind? The subconscious mind carries in it a countless number of impressions created and or modified by incidents in this life and the past lives. For example, a person may have a revengeful nature due to deep-rooted thoughts of revenge, which in turn have been created and strengthened by significant past events in this lifetime or in some past life. Unknown to most of us, we all have lived many lives on earth. We keep on getting born again and again in order to settle our give and take account. According to how we have lived in our past lives and how we have used our willful action, that is our free will, in each of our births, our personality has been shaped. The personality traits stored as impressions in our subconscious mind continuously get molded, reinforced by our actions and thoughts in any given lifetime. Let's take an example of a person's defect of anger in his or her current lifetime. As a toddler itself, he or she may display anger in the form of temper tantrums. It is important to note that the personality defect of anger did not suddenly start in this lifetime itself. In fact, it is an impression that has been strengthened and shaped over lifetimes. Perhaps the most prominent hypnotherapist globally, specializing in past life regression, spanning almost 50 years, was Ms. Dolores Cannon. She conducted sessions with thousands of her clients. She imprinted the testimonials of these sessions in many of her best-selling books like Between Death and Life, Conversations with Nostradamus, The Convoluted Universe. During mid-1980s, she was introduced to UFOs, extraterrestrial, and life on other planets. After regressing patients for around 20 years who had UFO and extraterrestrial experiences, she published the information found in her books named The Custodians. Then the book came Legacy from the Stars in 1996, which explores the vastness of our individual beings and our off-planet origins. Then came out the book The Legend of a Star Crash in 1994, which describes a life where a woman is regressed back to a time when a spaceship crashed in Alaska, Canada region thousands of years ago. That time human race didn't develop any airplanes. Then who developed this spaceship and from where it came? It is the story of the origin of the Indian races in America. If you want to know more about UFOs, extraterrestrials, alien abductions, life on other planets, you should read her books. She found that the subconscious, being a part of every person's mind, lays just below the level of our conscious mind. Observing, when contacted and communicated with it in gamma state, there is simply no question it cannot answer about your current life or any of your past lives. Dolores Cannon developed a very unique method called quantum healing hypnosis technique. This technique enables direct contact and communication with the subconscious of any individual for answers to any questions and can also provide the basis for instant healing. Let's come to my experiences on past life regression. Many years back, say around 15 years back, I was going through severe domestic issues. I have the tendency to search for answers from the spiritual plane rather than from this three-dimensional plane of earth. After doing some research for a few months, I decided to go for past life regression, as I always believed in rebirths and karmic cycles. I found that the problems that I was facing in my present life were the result of the pains, cruelty that I did to other people in one of my past lives. It just went like a movie scene in front of my eyes. I couldn't believe that I hurt people in my past lives, gave them pain. Whereas in this life, I am totally different. I am a soft behavioral person. I care about the feelings of other people. Recently, I have learned to say no. Yes, for certain demands of other people. Otherwise, till few years back, I was very shy to say no to people's requests, even at the cost of my life. Just didn't know how to say no. So what happened after regressing my past lives? When I witnessed the bad deeds of my past lives, I apologized. I forgave them and I forgave myself for the unawareness. And suddenly the problems of my present life started disappearing within 15 to 20 days. Believe me, it happens like this. The problem just disappears without us taking any action in our three-dimensional plane to solve that problem. You can use past life regression to get any answers, even minor issues like why you don't have enough money in this lifetime. It will take you to that past life where you can find the root cause of that problem. I have learned the past life regression method and I still use this technique whenever needed in my life. We all have taken hundreds and thousands of births. I can talk endlessly on this topic. You shouldn't get bored, so we will end up here. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share and like. Else, thank you very much for passing by.